Ever you find that your data is leaked or accessed by someone? Or whenever you install some apps, they want some permission. So what they do with it? And whenever you get some calls about loans or insurance, you always think from where they get your number. This is just because of digital footprint that hackers use these footprints to get information about you and your devices. Hey friends, I am Aditya Birla and today I am gonna tell you about digital footprint. So first question arises in mind, what is this digital footprint mean? Digital footprint is the information about a particular person that exists on the internet as a result of their online activities, or it just simply means data left behind when the user have been online. So there are two types of digital footprints, passive footprints and active footprints. What is passive footprint? Passive footprint is made when the information is collected from the user without the person knowing this is happening. I have some examples about passive footprints. When you search anything on social media like YouTube, after opening that site again, it will show you previously searched file or videos or related to that on the home page itself. Here your search is saved as cookies and they use these cookies to find your interest of watching videos. Here you haven't saved your data but it can be accessed through cookies. This is called passive footprint. Now, what is active footprint? An active digital footprint is where the user has deliberated shared information about themselves either by using social media sites or by using websites. I have a very good example about Warren Buffett related to active footprint. His friend asked something from Warren Buffett about Microsoft. First time in life, Warren Buffett used email and give reply of that email to his friend. After some days, US government cracked that mail and read that private mail, and later that mail was printed on the Wall Street Journal paper. Then he never use email. Instead, he write letters to his employee and shareholders. There was a lady who regularly upload his daughter's pics, like when she wake up, so go to school, having lunch on social media. After some days, she got to know that her daughter had been kidnapped. A person got a email and he received a link where it was written that he won 5 lakh rupees. When he clicked that link, so a foreigner told him to give 5,000 custom duty fees at airport to his agent. But later on, the person came to know that there was not a single custom duty office at airport. Another example, people throw the boarding passes after traveling from flights. But here the point is boarding passes has a QR code. When we scan that code, we can get passenger passport details, contact numbers and the card details which had been used for the booking of the tickets. Now a question arises in mind, how can we be safe from this? There are many ways that you can follow to be safe from this. First, do not use social media, but in today's world, social media is mandatory to use for many people. So, if you are using that, please do not share your important and private files, images, or other on social media. Second, do not save your password in your devices or on a paper. Instead, you can save your password in your own mind. Third, always use privacy settings. Fourth, do not share your private files on any cloud storing application, whether it is Google Drive or any other application. Fifth, delete your old accounts like Gmail account which you do not use, or Facebook accounts, etc. Sixth, carefully share your files and images on social media, and always keep in mind that what can be accessed through these files, or otherwise do not share it. Seventh, Google yourself. You get all information about you, that where is your account is active, or is there any negative post about you on any social media application. Always remember, posting is permanent. No matter you deleted your history or not, it is saved permanently. So, this is all about digital footprint, and always follow these steps to be prevented from negative aspects of digital footprint. Thank you for listening me.